Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. If you are looking for a natural way to help with your digestion, then this yogi tea might be just the thing. So this is the Egyptian licorice tea. And licorice is known to aid in digestion. If maybe you have some stomach issues, this can be really helpful for some people. And it also has other ingredients that are really good for digestion as well. It's black pepper and clove and some other ingredients. So it is a really nice blend. And not only does it help with your digestion, but it also tastes delicious and has these really nice warming spices to it. So it's a really easy to prepare, of course, just like any other tea. And this one you steep for about 7 minutes. It also comes in these individually wrapped packages, so you can take it with you on the go, and it's very convenient. So if you are on the lookout for a natural digestive aid, then this tea might be a really nice option for you. And that's my point of view.